Hello everyone, this is second time I am recording this video as I forgot to turn on my audio. Anyway, so here I am going to show another Halloween t-shirt design today, and for this one here I am going to use a text that is "You can't scare me, I am a." So the theme or the idea of my design is Halloween is a scary theme. People like to wear scary stuffs like t-shirts. So this is a scary theme, but people try to make fun of with their friends, their family members. But the theme of this design is you can't scare me because I am so strong for that, or I am too strong for that. Like if I am a nurse, then I see a lot of bloods every day. I see people dying, so I am mentally stronger than you, so you just cannot scare me with something like stuffs or Halloween elements. So that is the main message of this design, that you can't scare me. Now the reason I am taking this message is I just want to make a single design and then convert it into multiple niches. So for this one here I recorded the whole process here, but I forgot to turn the audio, so I'm going to just give you an overview. You can see you can't scare me. This text is just in different fonts. This is in Halloween thread font, this is another danger font, and this is the same font here. And these are the elements I took from these areas, these vectors. I gave you this file. So for this one here I am just going to, this process I am not going to make again, just I am telling you how to convert them. So the main reason here is I am going to target multiple professions by this single design. Now the design process, you can make this kind of designs I have showed in my previous videos. These are just vector placed in different ways wherever I wanted to place them. And now this is the main part of my design, but the half of my design, the other half will be I will convert this into another niche. Like this one here, you can see you can't scare me, I am a mental health therapist. That means I do counsel people with who are facing problem with mental health. So I am a therapist for them. And because I am a mental health therapist, I see a lot of things every day. I do handle a lot of people every day, so you just cannot scare me. So that is the message here. But if you try to make something like this is a group I kept as I don't want any changes in them. But these two texts I kept editable, like I can simply change them to any other profession, any other work I wish to, like something like this. I am just keeping that a copy here, and I am making another design here. You can't scare me, I am a dental assistant, or anything you want, or anything you feel that will look good. You can target them, you can, you just can use them in your design. So when we are making designs like this one dental assistant, and you can see everything here is covered with some vectors. So I just cannot keep them like this, I have to cover these areas too. So I am going to use some more elements there, maybe something like, I don't know, okay, something scary maybe I can put there. Maybe this one here I can take. I am just going to cover these areas so that they are not left as blank. So maybe that one there, and something kind of, okay, not that. It is all actually depends on you how you want to make your design, or what kind of elements you are going to use. As I showed in my nurse design that you can simply use some elements like some nursing elements here to fill these areas, but as this one is not something like that, this is just a design I am going to convert in many different niches. So that's why I didn't added any specific profession like any nursing symbol here, any doctor symbol here. I am just going to keep them as it is because I want to make them a one single design and then convert that into many other different niches. So I am pasting that in this transparency panel, and you can see now my design is okay. Maybe there is some white part in here. Okay guys, so this is my final design for this one here. Like, I am a dental assistant, I am a mental health therapist, I am a registered nurse, or whatever you want. Like this one I made here, I am a army wife, I am a registered nurse. And of course this one here I made this one. This was the final design for my previous video. You can't scare me, I am a preschool teacher. So preschool teacher means those who teach kids like they are going about to go to school, and that is a really tough job to manage those kids. They are very much, they are kids, so that's why they are tough to manage, and that's why this design will relate to them. Now the main point here is, if I just keep my all of my text like this, you can't scare me, I am a registered nurse, that is good. And as Halloween t-shirt design should be black, so when I am putting this on a black background or a black t-shirt, these texts are not too much readable, like they are lost in the graphics here. So that's why I changed the color here just to make the like this design here. This two is my main focus text. Whatever in this design doesn't matter if this is not the main part of my design. Like, I am going to target Donald Trump, so I need to keep something in my design that attracts only Donald Trump, and that is why he will buy my design. So this is the main text here. This preschool teacher, this registered nurse here, or whatever we did before, like this mental health therapist. So I wanted to make sure that that text pops out from all of the other designs. So that's why I make this two in white, so that this becomes visible over all of the designs here. And of course when I am using a white here, I could use that in some other parts here, so that's why I use that in scare me. Now if I am a preschool teacher, this t-shirt design will attract me, and then I will spend my 1 minute time to read the whole message what I wanted to show here, or what I told here, like you can't scare me, I am a. So then I will find out the message here. But if this text doesn't attract me, or I am not a preschool teacher, then it doesn't matter for me. So that's why I changed the color here. I just wanted to make it pop, like first thing to noticed, something like that. So now everything here is in vector format, they will be good for printing. And as I showed in my previous video, I made a rectangle here, then I make this design inside that, and when I am making it bigger, something like this, it will fill the fill most of the areas of my design area of a t-shirt. And that's how I will not lose, or my design will not look smaller or something. Now these areas you can simply fill them with whatever you want, elements you want. So this is the main reason of this video, that making a single design and then convert them into many different niches, many different professions. You can use any profession here, you can't scare me, I am a badass in mechanic, something like this. Anything you want, just make one final design first, then convert that into any other design you want. Now when you are making this kind of designs, like this one, I am a registered nurse. Now you can use of course some nursing elements here to make this design stands out, or make it more relevant with your profession here. So you can do that with all the different designs here. Now for this one here I am not going to do that, as I just want to share it with you. Now this one here you can see mental health therapist, dental assistant. I could use some dental elements here like teeth symbol, something like that. So this is the main part of my design here, this one. I hope this will give you some idea of making designs or converting them into different niches. And of course, if this is helping you, keep supporting me. Okay guys, so that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great time. See you soon.